Looking back historically, you've been willing to hang on to businesses operating in declining industries as long as they're continued to generate some cash for Berkshire overall. So having Duracell in the portfolio is not necessarily out of the ordinary. The question I have is how much of a role did tax planning actually play in doing this deal, given the extremely low cost basis on your P&G shares, some of which you've been selling the last several years? And would you have done this deal without tax considerations? And if so, at what price?
Well, both Procter and Gamble and Berkshire Hathaway had tax advantages in doing the deal this way. So they probably wouldn't have sold it at the price at which the deal took place, and we wouldn't have bought it at the price without the tax benefits that each enjoyed. And this is something we had to have held our stock for over 5 years in Procter and Gamble. It's something that's been in the code a long time that we have had nothing to do with it being in the code, but it's part of the code. And it's somewhat similar to the real estate exchange arrangement, where you can exchange real estate and defer any tax. We don't get a new tax basis on the Duracell. We keep the old lower tax base, just like, what do they call it? Is it Section 1231 or real estate exchanges? So it's analogous to that. And the answer is that there wouldn't have been a transaction from Procter & Gamble standpoint, and there wouldn't have been a transaction probably from Berkshire standpoint if it hadn't been for the fact that we could do an exchange arrangement. As to the declining business part, the battery business will be a declining business, but it'll be around for a very, very, very long time on a worldwide basis. And Duracell has a very strong position. It's a very good business, and like you say, I was familiar with it when I was on the Gillette board. But it will have unit declines over a period of time. But I think we'll do fine with the Duracell investment. I'm looking forward to getting the deal complete, which probably won't take place until the fourth quarter, because we have to get it detached from a lot of other things like the IT and distribution centers and everything else that it's involved in with P&G. But P&G has been great to work with, making the transition. They couldn't be better to work with during that period, and I'll be very happy when we own it.